Let's go back this way because there's loads of stuff to see this way. Oh, the candy. Hey, let's push this. Try pushing some of these, see if there's any of them you want.
Oh, dearie me, no, this won't do at all. Have you nothing longer? Perhaps a barley sugar twist?
Come on, let's have a...
Oh, dearie me, no, this won't do at all.
Come here.
Have you
Have a sit down.
longer?
Sit down over there.
Perhaps a barley sugar twist?
Is it working? It's not working, it worked last time with you.
Hello, little lolly puppets, lolly mummies, lolly daddies, and all you little jelly babies. I'm Bertie Brighttooth, the shiny white tooth, and I'm here to tell you what happens if you eat lots of sweets and you don't clean your teeth every day.
Hello, I'm Betsy Brush. I'm Bertie's best friend. He and I get together every morning, just after his breakfast, and every night before he snuggles up to sleep.
Yes, that's right. Betsy keeps me clean and white.
I'm Billy Badtooth. You don't want to listen to them. Be like me. You get more time to play if you don't bother to brush your teeth each day.
No, I'm Tommy Toothpaste. I'll keep you bright, but only if you use me morning and night. That Billy's rotten through and through. It's a load of rot, he's telling you. You don't use me night and day, the dentist will take your teeth away. Because of holes and rot and pain, you'll never see your teeth again.
Oh, yes, you will.
Oh, no, you won't.
Oh, yes, you will.
Come on, lolly puppets, you join in too. We need your help. We're counting on you. If you don't clean them, hear us shout. Eventually, they'll all fall out.
I'm the Tooth Fairy, your fairy friend. Swap milk teeth for coins to spend. Under the pillow, pop your tooth. I'll collect it up in the back from the tree. And in the morning, bright you'll see some fairy pennies left by me. Now, Billy Badtooth, off you go. You hurt a lot, all lollipoppets know. You're rotten and you're no fun too. We don't want teeth around like you.
Now remember, Betsy and Tommy are your friends too. If you use them, they'll look after you.
Use this first thing in the morning and last thing at night, and your smile will always be starry bright. And you'll enjoy your sweets more too, knowing we're taking care of you.
Hooray! Come and see us again soon.
Yay! Relevant for you at the moment, is that, ain't it, Ada? Huh?
Tooth Fairy, isn't it?
Go on up there. Is it, I think it's a dead end today.
I think it is.
Let's go down this way and have a look through the candy house castle. Ah. The licorice laboratory. Ah, watch your head. Come on. I think it's all gone disaster in there, hasn't it? Have to make a move out and go to another bit of it. Smell that candy, but this way. Watch your head. Watch your head. Watch these little steps as well.
Hello, little lolly puppets, lolly mummies, lolly daddies, all you little jelly babies.
Oh, knock it. You want me to knock twice?
Fee, fi, fo, fum. Fee, fo fum.
Oh, let's go for you. Go on. Oh, the candy. Oh, the smell of candy. Oh, fish. Willow pattern.
Look, Andy, turn the pages over.
Yeah, she's already been doing it, yeah? I don't think that's doing anything at the moment.
Oh, the willow pattern.
Oh, look at the size of this mouse here.
Oh. Tastes nice.
What's your head? Here we go, Hardy.
Oh, the mouse is look at all the stuff they put in to make it nice.
That mouse is enjoying.
Oh, look, your favourite biscuits.
Yeah.
The Johnny Dodgers.
Keep that mousey out of my kitchen. Gingerbread men. Look at this big door out here. Man. Hello, it's guys. Oh, I smell the mint. What's your head? Come on, let's go up through here. What's your head? Oh, look at the candy pops up there. Ah. Yeah? Watch yourself on these steps. Oh, look, a candy princess. Candy princess. Sugar plum fairy.
Oh, look at them chocolates in that box. They're big. Look at the lipstick on the shelf, Andy.
So she's a queen of a castle. Wow, Mr. Gin. What's your head? Oh, it smells of the sweeties in here. Oh, look what's in here. Go on, jump on the stage. Dutch matches. Jelly babies. Huh? Wow. You're so fine. What can't deny? The king's got no pants on.
Look big in this.
It does my bum look big? Yes.
You can see his woman.
Yeah, even moving.
Quite out of the question.
Take your time going down these steps in a second. Oh, look, the royal turnip. The royal turnip. Yeah, well, this is the one where when you knock on it.
Fee, fi, fo, fum.
3, 5, 4, fum.
Fee, fi, fo, fum.
But back where? Yeah, that's where we're going. We're going out here to more rides in a second. We'll go through here and we'll get to more rides. Oh look, there's these little boys and girls playing with the shoes. Huh?